Hey, what's up, YouTube? This video series will be about how to add a collaborator to our GitHub and then clone the repository, add some features using a specific branch, and after that, try to create our first pull request. Moreover, we will be working how to set up SSH to manage our communication with this repository, and most and foremost, we will set up our first GitHub action in order to gain some or to run specific tests. So let's jump into it. So this is my repository. Okay, I already have a couple of scripts. They have a specific task, okay, to run, but the intention is to try to speed up the development process. So for that reason, I will add a collaborator. This will be a dev that needs to have access to the repository and of course run some specific tests and approve tests. So from here, from the collaborators option, I will add this his email. That's it, and I will send the invitation. Okay, and it is pending to confirm. Okay, next step. This collaborator should check his email account, and as we can see, here we have the email invitation. So let's try to review it. Okay, and we will accept the invitation to collaborate. Awesome. So inside our web browser, we have an overview of the repository, okay, the original repository, and from here we have three possible paths to copy the current version. So the first one, perhaps this is the most used at least at first sight for the most of the user of GitHub. We may clone it using an HTTP channel. Also, we can use an SSH, but we need to run a specific setup, or even so, we may use a GitHub client. So from here, we will use the default option. Okay, let's copy this link and let's switch to our terminal. So I have an online VM ready to run from scratch all the setup process of a GitHub account and the creation process of a new branch. So let's connect to this VM. Alright, so as you can see, I'm using a different host and I'm running this task using the admin account. So it is not a good idea to use high level accounts to run our daily tasks. So for that, I will switch to an account inside my OS. Right, so since this is a less privileged account and my current directory is this one, so from here I will create a new directory. and from here I will clone my repository. So the command I will use is git clone plus the link. Great. So everything seems as expected. Let's list the available branch. Right, so we have just the main one. Let's create the branch that I will working on the new features, and let's use the name of experimental. Very good. So from here, I'm working in the experimental branch, and the next step is to add my code or my changes. So let's see you in the next video.